All right, so let me show you real quick what we got going on. You can tell carpets aren't in too bad a shape, just had a lot of trash and stuff like that. I had to do a pretty good job of vacuuming. I'll kind of walk up here and show you. Yeah, take a peek in here. You can see, like I said, it's not too bad. Just your normal rental property with just your normal issues. Like I said, not the major. The biggest thing for us, it'll take almost just as long, not quite, but it'll take a few minutes to get up this trash. So we're gonna do that first real quick. We'll spot right in there. And then we'll get started. All right, let me show you real quick. We're done it here. Vacuum anyway. Just want to show you what it looks like. Just with the vacuuming, looks a lot better. What's funny is on the video, it looks kind of dark right into there. But when you look at it in person, you can't really see it. So that's interesting. You can see the vacuum right here. That's how much we got out of it. And again, looking at these dark spots, you can see those better now that we removed. If I get my finger out of the way, now that we removed all the dirt and debris out of it, you can kind of see that stuff a little bit better. But again, just a good vacuuming makes the carpets look a lot better and kind of reveals a lot of the spots and stains that you couldn't see before. So I'm gonna get the steps with the handheld vacuum cleaner that I have. A little bit of trash right here, the vacuum mist. It's just a lot easier. But I may show that on video, we'll see. All right, so I'll show you what we've done so far. Finishing here, working on the hallway. Trying to see the lights coming out, but looking a lot better. Back going in here. Try to do this one.